Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In previous session, we have discussed about the integrations which are of the form integration of 1 by a plus b cos x dx, otherwise integration of 1 by a plus b sin x dx, otherwise given integration sometimes in the form of integral 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus some constant c dx. Okay, how can we crack this type of problems? First of all, we should replace sin value and cos value in terms of tan. Already we have the formula for sin and cos in terms of tan. We should replace that values. After that, we put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Okay, see this problem. So this is also one of the important problem. First of all, let I is equal to given problem. So it becomes 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x into dx. Okay, so write the formula of cos and sine in terms of tan, which are 4 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 over 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 3 into 2 tan x by 2 over 1 plus tan square x by 2, close the brackets, into dx. Okay, so immediately we can use the substitution as tan x by 2 is equal to t. So automatically dx value becomes 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, already I explained in the procedure how we get dx value is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Once look at the procedure of this model. Okay, so the above problem becomes I is equal to integration of 1 by 4 into, whenever we have tan x by 2, replace it by 2, replace it by t. So which is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 3 times of 2t by 1 plus t square, and replace dx value by 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So in the denominator for both parts 1 plus t square is the LCM. After taking the LCM, here 1 plus t square and this denominator 1 plus t square getting cancelled directly. So in numerator we have 2 which is constant, please write in the outside. So remaining term is 4 into 1, 4 minus 4t square plus 3 2s are 60 into dt. So the problem becomes simply in this model. Clearly we are observing that this is in the first form, which is integration of 1 by a quadratic term ax square plus bx plus c. For that purpose, for solving that type of problems, we can make coefficient of t square is 1. So you can write this one as 2 by negative 4. Take common out the term minus 4 from the denominator. It becomes 1 by t square is the first term minus 6 by 4. You should write here 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2 into t. Here already we have 4. So it is negative 1 into dt. Now it becomes minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by, how can we write this one now, t square in minus, multiply with 2 and divide with 2. So this part becomes 2 into t into 3 by 4. So we are observing that this is the b value. So add with b square and subtract with b square, minus 1 into dt. We should reduce the denominator in either form of a plus b whole square, otherwise a minus b whole square. That's why. So now how can we express the first 3 parts? See, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That's why it is 1 by t minus 3 by 4. B value is 3 by 4 whole square. What about the remaining part? Minus 9 by 16 minus 1. By taking the LCM 16 minus 9 minus 16, which is minus 25. Minus 25 by 16 is the remaining term. You can write as directly minus 5 by 4 whole square into dt. So this is equal to minus half into, again this is in the form of integration of 1 by x square minus a square. Already you are all know that. What is the formula for 1 by x square minus a square? 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. According to that formula, a value is 5 by 4. So 1 by 2a, 2 into 5 by 4 into log mod x minus a. So t minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4 over t minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Integration is completed. So you can add constant c. Here 2 2s are 4. This 2, this 4 and this 4 getting cancelled. Remaining term is only minus 1 by 5 in the outside. So log mod t. What is the LCM for these two terms? Minus 4 is the LCM. So minus 3 minus 5 minus 8. Minus 8 by 4 is nothing but 2. So numerator is 2 t minus 2 by, here also you will get 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. T plus 1 by 2 plus c. Okay. We have to write one more step. Minus 1 by 5 into log mod. So replace t value by tan x by 2 and also take the LCM in the denominator is 2. So this denominator 2 goes to numerator. So final answer is 2 into tan of x by 2 minus 2 2s are 4 over 2t, but t is tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. This is the result of given integration. In this way we can crack the problem. Sometimes both cos and sin terms both are involved in the given problem. Particularly they were involved in the denominator. So you have to write the formula of cos and sin in terms of tan. After that use the substitution tan x by 2 is equal to t. Automatically dx becomes 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Okay, this is the working rule of solving this type of problems. I will give you another example now. See, this is the next one. Find integration of 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x. Here also in the denominator both sin and cos terms are involved. That's why we should replace the values of sin x and cos x in terms of tan. First of all, let us denote the given integration with I. So you will get I is equal to 1 by 1 plus sin x plus cos x into dx. So 1 by 1 plus, what is the formula for sin x in terms of tan? 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus the formula for cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 over 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx. Okay, you can take, this is equation number 1. Now put tan x by 2 is equal to t. So automatically you will get the value of dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So replace these all values in above. So I becomes integration of 1 by 1 plus 2t by 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square, because the value of dx is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now take the LCM in the denominator. What is the LCM in the denominator? 1 plus t square is the LCM. So after taking the LCM, this 1 plus t square and here we have 1 plus t square. These both are getting cancelled directly. So it is better to write a direct step here. So 1 time of 1 plus t square is 1 plus t square plus 2t plus 1 minus t square is the remaining term. In the numerator you will get 2 dt. 2 is the constant term. Take outside from the integration. So 2 into integration of this t square getting cancelled. Both are same but opposite signs. So remaining term is simply 2t plus 2 into dt. So in the denominator 2 is the common term. So 2 getting cancelled. Already we have one more 2 in the numerator in the outside. So integration of 1 by t plus 1 into dt. So clearly it is in the form of integral f dash of x by f of x. But this is in terms of t. What is the result? Log of the denominator. Log of t plus 1 plus c. So that is equal to log of what is t value? Tan x by 2. T value is tan x by 2. Replace it. Don't forget to replace the value of t at the climax. Plus c. This is the result of the given integration. See, I will give another example now. This is the next problem. Find integration of 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 dx. See the solution. It is also in the form of integration of 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c into dx. Okay. So first of all, let us denote the given integration with I. Let I is equal to integration of 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6. In numerator we have only 1 and denominator, in denominator cos and sin are involved. In this case we should write the formula of cos and sin in terms of tan. So 3 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 over 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 4 into 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 6 is there. Don't forget this 6 into dx. Take it equation number 1. So put tan x by 2 is equal to t. Immediately you will get dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Please remember this one as a formula. Whenever we are replacing tan x by 2 is equal to t, you should remember dx value is 2 dt by 1 plus t square. It is not necessary to prove this value here. Okay. So with these steps, above integration becomes to 3 times of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Whenever we have tan, replace it by t plus 4 into 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6 into what is dx value? 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So take the LCM in the denominator. So in this case it is better to write a direct step here. 1 plus t square is the LCM. After taking the LCM, this 1 plus t square and LCM 1 plus t square getting cancelled directly. So 1 by, so take this 3 to inside, 3 times of 1 is 3 minus 3t square plus 4 times of 2t is 8 2t plus, don't forget to multiply the 6 with 1 plus t square. So 6 plus 6t square into 2 dt. Okay. Now simplify the denominator. So 2 is the constant term in the integration. So take common out the term. So 2 by 6t square minus 3t square, which is 3t square. 3t square. So we have only 180 here. And what about the constant? 6 plus 3, which is 9 into dt is equal to, so here also we have a quadratic equation in the denominator. So make the coefficient of x square is 1. So take common out the coefficient of t square, which is 3 from the denominator. So you will get t square plus 8 by 3 times of t plus 3 times into dt. If you have any doubt, take this 3 to inside. You will get 3t square, 3 getting cancelled, again you will get 8t. 3 times of 3 is 9. So 2 by 3 into integration of, now we should reduce the denominator into the form of a plus b whole square, otherwise a minus b whole square. Since all terms are positive, here you will get a plus b whole square form. So t square plus this numerator 8 can be written as 2 into t into 4 by 3. So b value is 4 by 3. So add with 4 by 3 whole square and subtract with 4 by 3 whole square, and remaining term is 3 into dt. Okay. So is equal to 2 by 3 into, now we can write the first three parts as t plus 4 by 3 whole square. What about the remaining constant? Minus 16 by 9. Minus 16 by 9 plus 3. So 9 is the LCM. You will get minus 16 plus 3 9s are 27. What is 27 minus 16? 11. Okay. So which is positive 11. So you can write as root 11 by 3 whole square. Sometimes you may not getting the perfect square. Okay. So 2 by 3 into, now what is the structure of this one? It is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. 1 by a, which is 1 by a means 3 by root 11 into tan inverse of x by a. What is x value? T plus 4 by 3. T plus 4 by 3 over root 11 by 3 plus a, because it is in the form of integration of 1 by x square plus a square, whose formula is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. That's why. So 3 getting cancelled. 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of, replace the value of t with the tan x by 2. So t is nothing but tan x by 2. Before that, take the LCM in the denominators. After taking the LCM, 3 getting cancelled. So you should write here 3t. What is t? Tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11 plus c. This is the result of the given integration. Okay, in this way we can crack the problem. In the next class, I will give some more problems on this model. This model is very important. So please prepare well. Thank you very much.